DJM TV.
Kasala don burst as Edo youth don give Fulani herbsmen 2 weeks to leave Edo State. My correct person there, welcome into yet another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update, where we dey give una the sharp news and the hottest gist based on wetin dey happen for our country. The news wey we carry come now, one wey don dey trend for a while, but now e don reach Edo State turn. The youth of Edo State, they don vex, they don give the herdsmen there, those nama people there, 2 weeks to leave all the bushes and corners of Edo State, sake of say they dey cause wahala for people, especially those wey dey for farming settlements and rural areas dem, as dem dey allow dem dey fit go their farm again, and also their nama dey eat the farm produce dem wey these people dey plant. Another reason wey dem talk say wey make dem give dem this 2 weeks ultimatum to leave the state na say sake of the kidnappings wey dey happen along the highways dem for Edo State. The recent one of the princes for Edo State, when he come from Jando, say make he come do 1 or 2 things for this side, before you know, they adopt her for road, got demand for a ransom of 10 million naira, which the family they pay, but unfortunately they release the wife and the other people they will follow her, but the guy no live to tell the story, as he himself he leg over go the other side for these people hand. Although police people don't come as I caught to say they don't fit trace some of the people there when they involved for this matter, they don't arrest them. They can't give news to saying that when the guy they pass for Lagos bypass there, and then the whole matter for happen with the for Ola carry and go before the demand for the ransom. But whether they did their mind for to leg over the prince normally, I be another thing happen, no, we don't know. But we know be say as they do what they want to finish, and they carry the guy could drop out for road for there after they don't collect the 10 million naira. Police don cut us say they don't arrest the people that will do the something, and they call express concern say the rate of insecurity for the road now it don become challenge to the Nigerian citizens them. Taraba state government don't come outside call they condemn this whole thing. Say person no fit travel again for road with the 2 eye close, say cause say the person go dey fear say he no know wetin go fit happen for the road as he dey travel. He could also talk say make the federal government give license to everyone for Nigeria wey don reach 18 years to take get your own license gun. Say he believe say if everybody get their own small things wey they carry for hand, say people no go fit call dey threaten them with all this kidnapping and all this adoption matter sef, say cause everybody get right to protect their life. He talk this of following the local government chairman for Taraba State where they still gbab for road as if they go where they go. For another development, women for Edo State for Uromi don't come outside the mass, they protest, so say they no go agree, they no go agree. What make the shout say they no go agree? They say make herdsmen, nama people, make they come out for Edo State, make they come out for Uromi. Say they no fit take the wahala again. Say the cows that they destroy their crops. Say the cows they no they let they defeat the plants something in peace. And even the herdsmen they help matter too. As most of them they enter bush, they do many bad things there. The fact they kidnap, they do lots of things there. We know you're good at. Always say don't even put fear for their mind to even go farm now safe. Now another one. The women don't join their voices with one group who they call themselves Concerned Youth for Edo to say make this nama people make they come out for Edo State. Oh, not forget say similarly, it is not the happen for West, Ogun State, Oyo State, Ondo State. They don't they give a quick notice to this herdsmen. They say una own door do make una come comot, una come dey go. If una won't stay at all, una go rent land, una go carry una nama they put for that particular land, una no go comot for there. Many people don't come outside to say this thing no good, why would they pursue them? After all, the grass na food for everybody. Well, the people don't let us know say not be like that too. What we hear for here, what we see for eye, na 2 different things. People there for the community say what their eyes they see, their mouth no fit talk. Say this nama people they cause problem for them. They know if they sleep for night. You go farm, before you go dey fear whether they go cash you go one side, you no know. Whether another thing go fit happen to person, no know. And now the worst of all, when they cash person like this, they go dey demand for money 10 million, 20 million, 15 million. Now see this prince when they talk say he don leg over now. Initially the demand for 14 million naira. The family negotiate until they call arrive at 10 million. Okay, 10 million naira, they package the money, send give them. So yeah, I wanna take una money, wanna leave this prince, make it go. Prince Dennis. But they not leave am make e go. Rather, they leg over the guy. This guy matter is not just sweet for belly at all. And call join say the guy himself na royalty. So he can't make the youth, they don't vex, they don't provoke, say 2 weeks now that they give herbsmen to leave Edo State. Meanwhile, they don't tell the commissioner of police for Edo State, say they give us 72 hours to fetch the people that will carry out this GPT, or else the wahala will go follow. Commissioner of police no fit wager. Now because this one, I mean police call quick, sharp call enter road. They find who do all these things there. Before they call come out, I got to say, okay, oh, we don't fear apprehense of suspects there. Not be all of them, oh. The ones who we catch, they help us for our investigation. Well, I wanna see this matter. This matter of this herbsmen, it is not they become another thing. No? All over the country, everybody they talk the same thing. And it's the one where they vex Nigerian pass of the whole matter be say, Oga Bubu not they talk anything they put for this matter. He never addressed this issue once. He just keep quiet. He know they talk they put. You like say they talk the last I need a year. But now the retaliation part now in the year. By the time you go, yes, okay, they don't do one thing to this number people now. It go be like say maybe blood the hot to say, I want to do something. Many people don't come outside call react. Somebody don't say this one a cold war. Somebody say this one a religious war, ideological war. Say Nigerian a faith state, say because the president don't lose control over some regions. Another one say we're already there at war. Say Oga Bubu, you better come outside call talk fast. Now if not, Nigerians go gather clap for your head and the matter safe it no go good. The Edo State government, they don't express their displeasure over what happened to the prince, and also some vigilante members them for Orion War don't express a displeasure. Don't say the government go come to the bottom of this whole issue. See, make everybody still calm down small. Make they let government and the police do their work. How you reason the matter? We will let government do their work, or make everybody take up their own security for their hand. According to Taraba State government, you see, make everybody know say security of life and property now their personal business. Nobody that will just live for government and say because presidency don't face us far, and state government if they carry out anything without approval from the presidency, and yet presidency need to talk anything they put for this matter. Well, the prince don't leg over, he don't go. The matter now, sorry, now the judge now say they don't catch some people who do the matter, and they go charge them to court. We know how the Nigeria they be sometimes, they feel not charge them to court, sometimes they feel release them. But now the matter be say everybody make they shine their eye, make everybody say security of life and property. Now their hand day now, and they no fit just leave for another person here, pata. If you see any strange face for your community, you see people they don't want to 2 GBT for the community, will not make sense. May you say open mouth, may you shout to, may you call people, may they call intervene for this matter. Well, now here we'll take on to the end of this edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. I beg, in case you never like this video, share the video. If you never subscribe, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And look, that will be like bear for there. Use your anti-touch, and so that when we drop video again, you save, you will be among the first people that we go know say better don't land again for this channel. Well, until I come your way again, may you not forget say my name still remain Lawuru Favor, reporting for DJM TV News.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV.
let's go. Mado.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.